Hey, what is up? Here's the Pixel 6 review in India. I have been using this device for more than 3 weeks now, so let's get started. First, I have to clarify the question everybody was asking, from where did I buy this device? I bought this device from Amazon.in and the seller was Deals of You, and the price was around 45,000 INR. So that's done. About the device, I'll be mostly talking about build quality, display will have the fingerprint scanner, processor plus battery life, camera, and in the last I'll be comparing this with the upcoming Pixel 6a. Build quality, glass back, metal frame equal to very good build quality, but weighs too much in hand, around 210 grams with case, but that is what you get buying a premium phone. So about looks, from the back it is one of my favorite phone designs, which also gives a unique look to it, and opted for this kind of coral color. Love it since Pixel 4. Display, it has a 6.4 inch AMOLED 1080p 90Hz display, which is a good display for viewing contents, and brightness is slight low when using it in direct sunlight. Auto brightness is working fine for me. And about the fingerprint scanner, in the initial days of my usage it was very inconsistent and slow, but now after the June patch it is working with no issue, works 90 on I should say 90 to 95% of the time, as you can see. So let's move on to the performance and battery life. Seeing a flagship device, the normal day-to-day task feels everything smooth and snappy. With this device too, you will not get any issues here. There is no bloatware as you will expect from a Google phone. And about gaming, I play Asphalt 9 for around 1 hour per day. There is heat, but it's just warm, not hot. That is normal for a phone. Tensor chip is giving them possibility to add AI in the 6 series. To be honest, I just feel only where I felt yes, this phone feels different from others are some camera features only for photos like action mode and magic eraser, and second, translation and dictation of words. That's it. I think that's a good start for the first tensor chip. Maybe they will improve and add more useful things. For now, that is it. There are some bad things about the device's performance and experience too, and that is battery life. Battery life is just meh on the device, having 4600 mAh battery size and 90Hz screen, not even 120Hz, is giving me 5 hours of screen on time. For me, that's pretty bad. If I game for 1 hour, it will give me around 4 hours of screen on time daily. Apple's own chip is giving more battery life to their iPhone 13 lineup. I don't know where their machine learning is helping to give good battery life. Let's move on to the next. Sometimes phone starts to warm in some light usage, maybe because of Mumbai's hot weather. But this same issue is with Samsung manufactured chips like Snapdragon 88888 and 8Gen 1, and of course Exynos. I feel like Google should also join hands with TSMC to make their Tensor chip. And my expectation for the software update was at least 5 years of OS update, because now they are using their own chip, they own Android, so they will now go head to head with iPhone. But no, they are giving us only 3 years of OS update and 5 years of security patches. Now Samsung is giving 4 years of OS update. I hope these things should be fixed with the Pixel 7 series. And talking about the camera, very good camera, this should not be doubted, and I will recommend, if you are getting this device, use action mode. That mode is just mind blowing. Sometimes photos may come too HDR. I will recommend clicking 2 or 3 more photos of what you are clicking. But about the video, if you are a vlogger or you want a phone which shoots good video, just get the iPhone 13 series. Android phones are still behind what Apple is achieving with the video. Don't get me wrong, it also shoots good video, but iPhones are still better. Even if Pixel photos are similar and sometimes even better than iPhone is more consistent than Pixel due to the best video capturing on a phone and good pictures like Pixel. Yep. So after all the things I said, let's summarize. Good build quality, but weighs too much, 200 grams. I feel that's heavy. The display is good, but the fingerprint scanner should be improved in the next series. For now it is good, but it's kind of slow compared to the competition. Good performance and features, but not recommended for gaming due to bad battery life. I think they can fix this battery life with the software update. Maybe good photos, but not so good video. So now let's talk about the upcoming Pixel 6a. Will be officially selling in India later this year, and the rumored price is 40,000. Straight up, I'll say go with the Pixel 6. If you can live without warranty and repairability, if you can, then I'll say why you should go with the Pixel 6, because Pixel 6 cost 5,000 more than the rumored price of 40k. Even if it's 35,000 for 10k, you will get a glass back compared to the plastic back, wireless charging, better back camera specs, 90Hz 6.4 inch screen compared to 6.1, 8GB RAM. And I think from these, the good things about the Pixel 6a is lightweight because plastic back, compact design due to 6.1 inch screen, and last, which can make the purchase decision, that is service center in India is available for Pixel 6a. So that is it for now. I'll see you guys again in our next video.